Welcome to XXL RC. Today, I have a special guest. Got my daughter. Now, yesterday I did the 1,000 subscriber Super Bash with my X-Max, and she was bugging me to bring out one of her cars. So today's the day. It's a little rainy, a little cloudy. Probably don't even need sunglasses, but I still got them on. Why not? But we're gonna go out here and you're gonna run the show. But today we've got a Traxxas Rustler 2-wheel drive. This is just like the ultimate beginner's car. Got the XL5 brushed Traxxas Titan 12-turn motor on it. And we are going to be running a Venom power, which they don't even make Venom anymore, but I got quite a few of these batteries. Funny thing is, I've never actually bought one. I've gotten them used with a bunch of used cars that I bought, and they're pretty solid. I was kind of sad that they quit making them. We're running the Venom 2-cell 5,000 milliamp hour 30C battery, and let's do our pre-drive setup here.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we do first?
I think we plug this in.
Yep, we got to plug in the battery. Go ahead. There we go. Perfect. Now what?
We turn this on.
Turn on the radio. How do we know it's on?
Music right there or right here.
Yep, there's a green light right there. And then last.
Turn this on.
Okay, and then we're gonna check. See if we got steering. Okay, we got steering. We got throttle. Reverse. We're good to go.
Yeah.
So let's throw the body on this thing and take it out for a little rip. There you go.
Got it.
We're good to go. Should we try a jump?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. I don't think this is quite the correct setup. I had this for my X-Max. It's almost like hitting a wall. So I think we'll reconfigure this a little bit.
Wait, I want to try and do it.
All right, try it. I might do it. Here we go. Woo! Not quite the same power level. Maybe get a little running start.
Okay.
See how we do. Whee!
It's the best it can do.
Just about. Okay, well, I say we should either do 1 or 2 levels. Okay, so we got just 1 level here. I think we're ready. Nice. All right, nice jump. That was perfect. All right, we're all set up. We got an extra layer. You ready? Do it. Whoa! Hold it out. Bunch of stuff. Holy cow. Oh, yep, that was what was making all the noise. What the heck is this? Huh.
Ew!
Yeah, it's kind of strange. Okay.
Okay.
That looks like a dead battery to me. That's full throttle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Well, that was a pretty fun mini bash with the little Rustler. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always have a good time on the XXL RC Playground, don't we? Yeah. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you in the next video.